Hey guys, so I just got this brand new drone in the mail. It comes in this really nice carrying case. It has a little handle right here. It unzips and you've got all of everything you need in here. You've got the drone. It's really nice, folds out and you're able to use it. You got a camera on here. Pretty impressive. This is the Pro version and you've got the battery, which can be installed right into here. And then on the top, you've got this obstacle awareness or avoidance tool. So that can be plugged in and put right here. So once you have that into place, you just click it down in, and that will help out our flying today. It does have an extra battery, so I'm going to sit that down there. It includes some charging cords for that battery, as well as some extra parts and pieces and blades for the drone itself. And then here is the controller with lots of buttons. You've got the camera button, you've got the thumb pads here with a flip open phone display, so you can set your phone in here and be able to see everything from your phone with the camera and take pictures and everything like that. If that's not enough, you've got the app, which allows you to do all of those same features from your phone. So this takes AA batteries right in here. And so I've installed those already, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing flying up in the air, and I'll show you how that performs. You've got different settings in the app. You can go to Wi-Fi and select this device, which is that TizzyToy there. Pretty impressive looking drone here. Even has lights on the underside. And so here is the camera display. So we are having a great time flying this around. It is very steady. That's one thing that I really noticed. I've flown a few of them before, and some of them really get caught in the wind and stuff. This one's very steady, which I really appreciate. I'm going to test out that sensor on the top. So this can stay very steady, very still, just in this location. Even with it being windy out a little bit, this thing is staying very still, and I really appreciate that. It's very quick to respond and easy to maneuver. I love that the camera also goes back and forth, up and down. So it is adjustable even while it's up in the air. You can adjust it up and down to get the correct angle. Let me show you what that looks like.
Yeah, and it's still recorded. And this one being it looks like that.
Alright, so as you can see, my son and I, we're going to have a great time with this drone. This is just a fantastic, high quality drone where you can get good photos, good videos, and have it all on your remote or your phone. This is just so useful and convenient to have. Like I said, it folds up into that case, very compact, very easy to travel from one place to the other. Overall, I'm very, very happy with this. I think we're going to have a great time playing with it and using it some more throughout the day.